Alright, about figured it's time to do another update video. Got a few different projects going on. Ooh, that's really bright. The Cooper got new stripes put on it. The wife really liked when the Coopers have, these racing stripes on them. So she wanted hers with it, got it on. She also did an R57 sticker. That's the chassis code for the convertible Cooper of this year, make and model, all that good stuff. The MR2's got a few projects going on. You can see one of them right there. It's pretty much turning the frunk into like a cooler, pretty much for the summer car shows and stuff like that. Want to be able to put waters and stuff like that in there, fill it with ice, and just kind of keep it cold. Video for that's coming soon. Got a few more boxes with parts. Those are like, what would you call them? Under bracing for the MR2. And then the 6-speed transmission still sitting in the box. It's probably going to happen this winter. I'll be getting around to installing that. I do have another big announcement, which I'll probably put in the thumbnail, but I'm getting a new project car. So you'll be seeing that here soon. It is currently not in the driveway, but it will be soon. I'll be parking like right here while I work on it and everything like that. The Mazda, for the most part, has been pretty good. I've got a couple minor things I need to take care of with it, but nothing major. The wife's GMC, in a future video, you might be able to spot it. It's got a coolant leak coming from the water pump and the upper radiator hose. So we've been topping it off, but I really need to get to work on that here sooner rather than later. So videos for those will be coming soon. I may do them as one video. I may do them as two separate videos. I'll see how I'm feeling that day and go from there. But I got a really quick mod for the MR2, which I'm going to be installing right now. It's a cover for my coil packs, and got it from overseas. I'll put the link down in the description below, but I'll let you watch me put it on really quick. I might use the gun right now. Oh, goodness. That was really hot.
Perhaps I was talking when I should have been listening.
Now these are specifically made for the MR2s with the 2ZZ swap, just because when it's in the Celica or a Corolla or something, the engine actually faces the other direction. So like, your engine oil cap would be sitting on this side, the whole engine is flipped. So if you were to get it with like the VVTL-I on there, it would be facing upside down if I got it for like a Corolla or a Celica or something like that. So these ones are specifically for the MR2s with the 2ZZ swap. Again, I'll put the link down in the description, but it actually fits beautifully in there, and it came out looking really nice too. They have a few different colors and a few different styles. I just went with the simple black. But I also got a battery hold down, which I'll be putting on next, so you guys get to see that as well. Just a couple of quick mods, nothing too serious. Figured give you some kind of content for this update. And then at the end of this video, I'll be showing you the new project car, and I also have a special announcement here in just a minute as well. Alright, for those of you who don't know, on the MR2s, on the battery bracket down there, it's got like this bar that comes up back here, and then it like hooks into there, comes across the top of the battery, and then the J hook goes down this way. well, with these new style of battery hold downs, they don't exactly have the hook to go on the back there. So I had to modify my tray a little bit. Got rid of that stupid metal bar that went across. I'm sure it's in plenty of my older videos. But I'm just going to go with 2 J hooks that run up through the bottom of this hold down, and it's going to look a lot better. Alright, that definitely looks a lot better, and I feel more comfortable with a big flat bar over the top versus that single rod that was on there that I absolutely hated. But now I just gotta hook my battery cables back up really quick. Alright, so now the part you've all been waiting for, the reveal of my new project car. Now, project in big quotes. I don't plan on keeping this thing. I just plan on fixing it up and then reselling it. Obviously, it's not the Spider. It's a Scion XB. And let me tell you how pristine this thing is. Obviously, you can see the back part of the hatch is falling apart. It's going to need some work, obviously. The paint's in pretty rough condition. The roof is just gone. The back seat has been converted to haul plants and stuff like that. So I'm going to be getting rid of all that. I'm going to be going to the junkyard, finding a new rear seat, just to kind of restore the interior. I did have to use some good old brake cleaner to help start it. Jumper cables because the battery's dead. Came with spare change, that's always good. It is an automatic. But yeah, the body's in kind of rough condition. I noticed a big old piece of tape down here to fix the bumper. Cobwebs all over it. See, headlights are very faded. Wheel wells falling apart. More of the... I guess it used to have a vinyl wrap on it, and that's kind of the remnants of it. But let's pop the hood really quick. Got it running just to kind of keep the battery charged up for now. But let's pop the hood and take a look at this. I gifted a bunch of leaves in here. Looks like it's missing the washer fluid cap. No big deal. He was saying that the power steering goes out. I was looking at it. It looks like it might just be the cap is leaking and letting power steering fluid out. But I'll have to check the whole system. Battery is pretty nasty looking. But let's go test the AC. He said it works. So we're going to double check that it actually does. Because that is always a good point to have, especially living in the South. Let's see. AC on. It's recirculated on the inside. That's pointed at our faces. Oh, it looked like he left his glasses. I'll get those back to him. Nothing else in there. Bunch of CDs and stuff. I'll get back to him. I have no idea what that is. But, let's see, is it cooling off at all? Oh, yeah, let's crank this baby on high. See if the radio works too while we're at it. Maybe. Am I just that dumb? There we go. Yep, radio works. Let's turn that volume all the way down so we don't get copyrighted on anything. Yeah, it feels like it's cooling off a bit. Give it another couple minutes. It may just need a recharge. Looks like I've got all kinds of lights on the dash already. I gotta check engine, traction control, VSC off. So I'll have to look into all that as well. We'll plug my code reader in here in a minute and see what kind of codes it's gonna throw. But for starters, I think I really need to clean this thing. It is quite nasty. It's got a bunch of plant stuff in the back, receipts, garbage. Yeah. But hey, it's a project car, and believe it or not, I actually got this thing for free, so I can't complain. Because, oh yeah, it's getting cold now. Because free is always better than having to pay for a car, and especially if I can fix it up and flip it, and hopefully make a bit of profit after all the parts I have to put into it. I just heard the belt squeal a second ago, so it may need new belts as well. Looks like there's 2 of them down in there. So I'll definitely be doing a belt change out. It'll help me see the underside of this engine too and see what's going on under there. But, man, that's bolted down. I was going to pull this engine cover off. But we'll do that later. When I start actually working on this car, I'll do more in-depth videos about it, but it's going to be featured on the channel a bit more. How I can get it all fixed up and sell it and all that good stuff. But it's honestly not terrible, especially with the AC working and everything. And it's not terrible looking. It does need some love, especially in the paint. So we'll be getting it fixed up and looking a lot better before I flip it. I did notice the taillights actually look pretty decent, so that's always a plus. I have to figure out. Nope. The hatch does pop. Can I open it? Can I pull? How in the world? Oh, it's trying. Hold on, I may need 2 hands for this. Well, as you saw, I was able to get the hatch open. I just gotta like pull on the wiper blade a little bit to help it up. But we'll be fixing that as well. There's that belt screaming again. Yeah, it's definitely needing some love. But surprisingly roomy in these damn things. I think I've only driven one once before. It was many, many years ago. And they're, you know, Scion just kind of built them. Well, Toyota built the Scion. And it was just kind of a first-timer kind of car, very basic. So, not exactly a performance machine by any means, but we're going to get this thing driving pretty well and get it up out of here. Now, finally, I do have something to tell you guys. I've partnered up with Super Clean. I featured one of their, or some of their products not too long ago on a video, and they want me to do a giveaway. So I'm passing it along to y'all. So down in the comment section, if you guys put the word Super Clean down in there, and the most liked comment that says Super Clean will get a free original cleaner of theirs and the spray cleaner of theirs, part of this giveaway I'm doing. So, not these ones that I've been using, they're going to be brand new, so don't worry about my half-used bottles that I was using in a prior video. You're going to get brand new, super clean products shipped straight to you. So again, put the word Super Clean down in the comment section, and whoever gets the most likes on their comment wins a couple free bottles of Super Clean. So good luck to all of you, and wish me good luck on fixing this Scion XB. Now there is one small stipulation to this giveaway. You do have to be located in the lower 48 US states. So if you're, you know, Alaska or Hawaii or outside of the US, sorry, you won't be able to participate in this giveaway, but maybe future ones you will. Now, timeline-wise, this video is coming out on July 10th. So by July 31st, I'm going to be ending the giveaway. So be sure to get your comments in before then and get as many likes as you can on your comment. And the one lucky winner I'll be reaching out to get your name and address and everything so Super Clean can send you some products. Be prepared to see this thing in future videos where I fix everything going on with it and end up getting rid of it. Well, if you guys got any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you like any of the background music that was in this video, please check out the artist's SoundCloud. His link is in the description.